dear students, I hope you all are fine. In the previous lecture, we have completed present simple, present continuous and present perfect tenses. Now we are going to start perfect continuous tense. So basically we have three types of perfect continuous tense: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous. So in this lecture we will cover first present perfect continuous tense. So let's start our lecture with the name of Almighty Allah, the most omnipotent and omniscient. So be focused and stay connected. So first of all, let me explain you the definition of present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is also called present perfect progressive. It is a tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. Means if you started an action in the past but you are still doing it in the present moment, that is present perfect continuous tense. And the most important thing, the present perfect continuous tense shows that action which emphasizes about duration or the amount of time in which the action has been taken place. Like if you started an action in the past and you are still doing it in the present within a particular time of period and within a specific amount of time, so that is present perfect continuous tense. So students, now let's consider about the formula and example of the present perfect continuous tense. As you know, first of all, we have to use subject plus has have plus been and plus first form of verb plus ing plus object and plus since for. Because we say that this is perfect continuous tense, so that's why we are using has or have as a helping verb in the present perfect continuous tense. So you can see the formula is subject plus has have plus been and plus fourth form of verb, which is the combination of first form of verb and plus ing plus object plus since for. Means you can say that there is a addition of since or for. We are using here since or for because in the present perfect continuous tense the particular amount or amount of time has been shown with the action that has been taken place. Like if you are showing that you started an action in the past but you are still continued in the present, so you need to show a particular time of amount, a particular amount of time. So that's why you are supposed to use since or for in the perfect continuous tense. Now let me remind you that the formula of present perfect continuous will be same in the past perfect continuous as well as in the future perfect continuous tense. So now have a look at the examples. As you can see, the examples are here. She has been reading books for 2 hours. She is a subject, has is helping verb, has been as a helping verb. Reading is the fourth form, which is a combination of first form and plus ing and plus object, and we are using here since or for according to the formula. And then we have shown a particular amount of time. They have been traveling since mornings. They is a subject, have been is a helping verb, and traveling is a fourth form of verb, and since has been taken from the formula, and morning is a particular time of period that we are showing in the present perfect continuous tense. You have been watching TV for 4 hours. You is a subject, have been is a helping verb, watching is a fourth form of verb, TV is object, and 4 is taken place from the formula, and 4 hours is a particular time of period. So students, you see, we are supposed to use since or for in the perfect continuous tense because we have to show a particular time of period in the perfect continuous tense. So students, hopefully you have understood it, you have gone through it. So inshallah, I will meet you in the next lecture with the past perfect continuous tense. So till that, thank you very much indeed. God bless you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.